If you are part of a multilateral system that then has a tribunal for dispute resolution, it does feel like a waste of time if you don't respect the decisions of the tribunal. But most importantly, organized systems of dispute resolution are there to prevent disputes from escalating. Okay, that's why we don't kill each other here. Actually, we do, but we would kill each other a lot more if we didn't have courts. Because if we got a problem with somebody, we don't resolve that problem by trying to beat them up. We resolve that problem by going to a court and then relying on the decision of the court and then the enforcement powers of the court. Because having a third party to interpret the rules means that there's less of opportunity for conflict on a bilateral basis. This is the whole logic behind having tribunals in the international domain. States that argue with each other tend to get aggressive with each other in an ongoing spiral, and the relationships deteriorate and it becomes very expensive for everybody. If you have a system of adjudication in place, this helps contain disputes. And if everybody respects the decisions of the adjudicator and acts accordingly, it doesn't prevent disputes from taking place, but it proves that then these disputes are resolved or addressed in a contained manner. Frequent violation of the rules does not negate the existence of the rules. If there are frequent violations, but these violations are treated through the system, the way that the system is set up, this is what is supposed to happen. If you have disputes that are not resolved, that are not going through the system, then you have a much bigger problem. So the people who say this dispute resolution system is not working because it's flooded with cases, the fact that it's flooded with cases actually means that people are trying to use it, and that is a positive thing. And after it's had the chance to develop some jurisprudence, then people are clearer on what their rights and obligations are, which means that there are going to be less disputes. And that's why Trump administration's attitude is the complete antithesis of the system, the way it's been built. And it's not only that, it is not a good way to run things. It means that when you're having problems with the neighbors, if your response is to go burn their house down, then they're going to come and burn your house down. So this kind of relentless aggression and kind of bilateral damaging measures are precisely the things that the rules are meant to avoid. That's why you got tribunals, that's why you got rules, that's why you got decision-making systems.